Hey there, my name's Carter, and I just got my Creality 3D printer. The one that I got was the Ender 3 V3 SE model, and I'm going to be showing how easy or hard it's going to be to set up. I also got these 3 smaller boxes that we can open up later in the video, but for now I think we're going to be doing this bigger box. So it kind of looks like we got some, what is this, stickers maybe? They look kind of cool. I think that's the kind of mascot of Creality. So also the quick installation guide. I didn't even see that. But yeah, so we'll be looking at that later to kind of get the point of creating this. But for now, we can see what this is. This looks like it's maybe the tools and some filament, maybe some starter filament, but I'm not too sure about that. So got a power cord, screen, so we can check all that we're doing. And I'm gonna guess that this is kind of the framework of the 3D printer. So we'll have to put this somewhere. So as you can see, this is everything that came in the box, from the stand, the base, and kind of everything in between. It looks like it comes with everything you need, including some screws, USB, some tools, and including some PLA. So the instruction manual told me to put 3 M4 screws into the side to connect this display monitor into the base. And they basically just go right here, here, and here into the side. Next, I attached the rack assembly using 2 M5 screws. I then attached the gantry frame to the base, as well as all the cords and the power cord in the instructions. So I think now we're going to turn it on. For the build of it, it was really easy. It was laid out pretty well in the instructions, and if you want to see what I create next time, please watch my next video.